Thank you for joining me, Richard Landis, as we walk through the rich history of Chambersburg. Going down the street, south from the old jail, we must start to imagine all the buildings to your right, engulfed in flames. This was an attack by Confederate forces carried out by the General McCausland, 1864. Revenge for the ravages of war in Shenandoah Valley. War had become personal. Nearly hidden by these trees is a building that bore witness to all three attacks in the town, but most importantly, the third and final burning. The Masonic temple of the town, built in 1823 to 1824, survived the burning of the town. Story goes, a Confederate officer who was a Mason noted the temple and ordered guards specifically to protect the temple. The traditional building, being in brick, stands in contrast to the 1960s addition that was added on. But what is important to us is the front of the building. If we were to cross the street and look, you can see how high up it goes. If we were to get equally as high, say a giant building just across the street, we can look down the street again, but this time in the view of 1864, right after the town's burning. You can see the top of the Masonic temple to the right, and the left you can see the devastation of the town. The high building we get the vantage shot from survived the burning as well. The Chambersburg Market House, built in 1830, survived the burning and remains an iconic historic building today in the historic district of Chambersburg. Here, in the building's wall, just above the modern steel marker, is a stone marker made to record the building's history. Looking down the street, we will continue to walk, where next time we will talk about General Lee's invasion in 1863 and some more details about the burning in 1864 by General McCausland.